Alright, today we're going to put a steering wheel cover on. We got a Honda. It's all messed up on the steering wheel. And so we're going to put this steering wheel cover by SEG on. This was like the cheapest one on Amazon, but it had a ton of good reviews. So put it on and see what it looks like. And you can get different sizes, and you can see this one is a medium, so it's supposed to fit 14.5 to 15-inch steering wheels. And you can see this Honda is just a hair under 15 inches, so this steering wheel cover should fit. Now, I don't know if you can see, but the steering wheel on this Accord really messed up, especially around the top. And every time you try to go and use it, it just leaves these little pieces of grit, rubber all over the place. Now this thing's pretty stiff, so I'm going to leave it in the sun for a couple minutes, let it warm up. Alright, we just want to make sure we get this thing centered on here. And then we'll put it on, and this thing is going to be a tight fit. We're going to be doing a lot of stretching to get this thing on. Feels pretty good. Some steering wheel covers you have to sew, and I've used that before too, where you sew the whole thing, and that takes hours, and it really puts a hurting on your fingers after doing that a while. So those, they look really nice, but they take a long time to do. This steering wheel cover definitely wraps around the steering wheel pretty tight right here, which is nice. Some of the other steering wheel covers are really bulky and fat right here, and they get in the way when you grab the steering wheel. But this one feels pretty good. Now, as you saw, it took some effort for me to get this thing on, but once it went on, now that thing feels on like it's on there. It's not going to move around and slide around on you when you're driving, which is nice. That's a big pet peeve of mine with steering wheels, when they're too bulky right here and when they slide around. But this thing is tight enough where it's not going anywhere. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick little review and installation on this steering wheel cover. I think they're about $15 on Amazon, so it's really cheap and easy to do. You got to put a little muscle into it, but it's not that bad. I bought this myself, Amazon, and nobody else sent this to me. I paid for this with my own money. Just wanted to show what it was like to put these on, and what kind of quality it was, and I think it's pretty good quality for $15. You can't go wrong. And as always, if you enjoyed the video or it helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.